On the Karen Reed case, the prosecutor has now confirmed what WBZ learned 2 weeks ago. The U.S. Attorney's Office told the Norfolk DA the federal investigation into John O'Keefe's death is closed. Now, this disclosure came during today's hearing where the two sides are battling over the ground rules for Reed's next trial. WBZ's Penny Commit is at the courthouse in Dedham.
I learned that invoice was paid Sunday night before February 18th. I'm going to repeat that. I learned...
You don't have to
I'm sorry.
repeat it. And again, what you know and what all counsel know is one and the same.
I understand, Your Honor.
A series of tense exchanges between the judge and the defense kicked off what was yet another pretrial hearing for Karen Reed. This was the third time Reed's defense team's alleged misconduct was discussed in the courtroom, yet still no resolution. Remember, attorney Alan Jackson is accused of prepping and paying witnesses during Reed's first trial, despite a court order not to.
When one of you act for the entirety of the defense team, and when one of you makes representations or misrepresentations, you speak for the entire defense team. You don't know that. Do you understand that, Mr. Young?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Jackson?
Of course.
Ms. Little?
Yes.
And Mr. Leslie?
Yes, Your Honor.
The defense has rebutted this claim, accusing the prosecution of lying about how they obtained this information in the first place. Meanwhile, outside of the courtroom, Reed's supporters came out in droves, and Massachusetts State Police upped their security measures with barriers and additional officers. Today's hearing also follows a series of motions filed by both sides over the last week. Most recently, the defense asked Judge Beverly Cannoni to get authentic access to the Canton Police Department's video file system, rather than relying on copies provided by the police, referring to a Canton PD Sallyport video that was apparently inverted during the first trial. Reed's team also filed for the third time to have her entire case dismissed, this time citing extraordinary governmental misconduct. The prosecution has asked the judge to deny that motion. In Dedham, I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.